Welcome to another edition of Saucy Seconds, where today we took the crumbled up bottom of a dry rub potato chip, mixed it with a little white chocolate, and made chip brittle. Absolutely awesome. All right, let's get right into this quick and easy recipe. So as you know, a lot of times these chip bags have a lot of crumbs in the bottom. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take these crumbs and turn it into a nice little dessert. So here you go, bud. Why don't you pour it into that bowl there? All of it, yeah, all of it. Good, boom. And this is just the leftovers from the bags. I don't like to waste them. A lot of times we'll put it on some mac and cheese, but I found that this recipe is awesome. So back here we just got a little bit of white chocolate. We took some white chocolate wafers and we just melted it down. Yeah, see? So we're just gonna pour that right into the bowl here.
Looks like vanilla.
It does. It smells good though, doesn't it? We're gonna sprinkle a little extra dry rub in there just to give it a little bit extra flavor. Yeah, get it all mixed in.
Oh, that looks like good.
Put a little wax paper on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and dump this all out on here.
Yum.
All right.
Yummy.
What we're gonna do now is just gonna throw it in the fridge and let that chocolate set back up. And once it sets back up, we'll bring it out and we'll crack it all up. So I'm gonna throw that in the fridge. All right, so now we got this chip brittle out of the refrigerator. It's been sitting for a couple hours. We're gonna
Oh, yeah.
See how it's all stuck together? Yeah, so I'm just gonna take the knife and kind of break it all apart here. Wanna take a piece? I'll try one with you. Cheers. It's absolutely dynamite. Got a little kick, sweet, salty, a little bit of spicy at the end. It's absolutely awesome.